Hello student, today I shall discuss new chapter, that is magnetic effect of current. When current flows through a conductor, that is a current carrying conductor, produce a magnetic field surrounding it. This is experimentally verified by Oersted. In class 10 you have studied Oersted experiment. So when current flows through a conductor, a magnetic field is produced surrounding the conductor. That is the magnetic effect of current. যখন কোনো তারের মধ্যে দিয়ে কারেন্ট প্রবাহিত হয় তখন তার চারিপাশে একটা চৌম্বক ক্ষেত্র তৈরি হবে। এটা প্রথম এক্সপেরিমেন্টালি ভেরিফাইড করেছিল ওরস্টেড, যেটা ক্লাস 10 এ পড়েছো। When current flows through a conductor, the magnetic field is produced surrounding that conductor, and the magnetic field at any point is found out with the help of Biot-Savart law, that is Laplace law. So Biot-Savart law, Laplace law, another name Biot-Savart law, that is Laplace law. Okay, suppose this is a long conductor, that is current I. So according to Oersted experiment, the magnetic field is produced surrounding this conductor. এই কন্ডাক্টর চারিপাশে একটা ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড তৈরি হবে। Biot-Savart law, that is Laplace law, consider a small element dl. Suppose this is a small element dl, and we have to find out the magnetic field at a distance r from the midpoint of the small current carrying element. dl be a small current carrying element. dl small current carrying element. Generally, Biot-Savart law or Laplace law is applicable for small current carrying element. The angle between the direction of the current and the radius vector r be the distance of the observation point from the small element. So the field, according to Biot-Savart law, the field due to small current carrying element delta b, the magnetic field induction, magnetic field delta b, আমরা কি দিয়ে প্রকাশ করছি? স্মল বলে ডেল্টা দিয়েছি এবং স্মল ডেল্টা বি, বি বি দ্য ম্যাগনেটিক ইন্ডাকশন অর ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড ভেক্টর. So delta b is proportional to dl, that is small length of the maybe sin theta proportional to I, inversely proportional to r square. This is the Biot-Savart law. If we combine them, so magnetic field is proportional to I dl sin theta by r square. Follow? This is the Biot-Savart law. So in exam, this type of question, write down Biot-Savart law. Now, when the current flows through a conductor, the magnetic field is produced surrounding it, and at any point the magnetic field due to a small element of the current carrying conductor is found out with the help of Biot-Savart law. dl be the small element in figure, and r be the radius vector of the point p with respect to the small element, theta be the angle between I and r. Then the magnetic field at p is dB proportional to del L sin theta alpha, so dB. This is the Biot-Savart law. Clear? Now if we put a constant, the result will be delta B equal to k I dl sin theta by r square. In SI system, follow, in SI system k equal to mu 0 by 4 pi, that is mu 0 is called the magnetic. Now we are discussing the magnetic effect, so that is magnetic permeability. Magnetic permeability of free space or vacuum. Okay, 4 pi be the constant. The value of mu 0 equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter, that is another unit Tesla ampere to the power minus 1 meter. Follow. In a later chapter I shall discuss what is Henry, what and how does this unit and this unit same. পরের চ্যাপ্টার আমি আলোচনা করব এই ইউনিট এবং এই ইউনিট কি করে সেম হলো। টি বি দ্য টেসলা, the unit SI unit of delta B magnetic field, the SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Follow, you have to keep it in your memory, এটাকে মেমোরিতে রাখবে। SI পদ্ধতিতে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড বা ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড ভেক্টর, that is magnetic induction, is Tesla. This delta B বা magnetic field is expressed, delta B is sometimes called magnetic field or magnetic field vector or magnetic induction. Clear? So in SI system the law will be magnetic field for small element, that is I express it in delta B, mu 0 by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square, that is Tesla. Clear? Now magnetic field is a vector quantity, so what will be the direction of it? এটা একটা vector quantity, তার direction কোথা হবে? We apply the Oersted rule, that is right hand thumb rule. Follow, this is my right hand, very simple rule, very easily you can find out the direction of a magnetic field. Right hand, this is the thumb finger, you place the palm of the hand between the wire is placed between the palm and the point, observation point. Follow, this four finger indicate the direction of the current, এই চারটি আঙুল direction, কারেন্টের direction. So thumb finger is perpendicular to the board and downward, so field at that point will be perpendicular to the board and downward, that is away from the reader. Clear? If current is downward direction, then follow the perpendicular direction, magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the board but towards the reader, upward direction. Clear? So this is very simple, thumb finger right hand thumb finger rule, or this is Oersted rule. There are another rule, Maxwell corkscrew rule, Ampere swimming rule. You have studied Ampere swimming rules in class 10. This is very simple way. Follow, I is on the plane of the board and R is on the plane of the, that is delta L, dl and R. IDL is a vector quantity and R is also a vector quantity. This is called current carrying vector element. The direction of IDL is the direction of the current. So the direction of magnetic field, the magnetic field will be perpendicular on the plane consisting IDL and R. IDL এবং R যে তলে আছে সেই তলের সঙ্গে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডটা কেমন হবে? লম্বভাবে উপর দিকে বা নিচের দিকে, অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য ডিরেকশন অফ দ্য কারেন্ট. If you place your right hand in this way, the direction of thumb will indicate the direction of magnetic field. Very clear and very simple. So this is the SI form of magnetic field, that is magnetic field vector or magnetic induction. IDL is a vector element, RBT is a vector element. So we can express it in vector form. আমরা এটাকে ভেক্টর ফর্মে এক্সপ্রেস করব। কিভাবে করব? ভেক্টর ফর্মে। So the magnetic field at P due to a small current in an element according to Biot-Savart law is directly proportional to the current, proportional to the small element, proportional to the angle between the direction of the current and the radius vector, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the observation point and the small current carrying element. Now in vector form, follow. Mu 0 by 4 pi I dl sin theta cross r be the unit vector by r square. Follow. R be the unit vector towards r. R be the unit vector towards r. That is, if we consider this point OP. So OP equal to r and unit vector is in the direction OP. Follow. I dl r sin theta, I dl r. If we I dl r value of r, magnitude of r 1. So this form is expressed in this way. এটাকে আমরা এই ফর্মে লিখতে পারি। Next line. So mu 0 by 4 pi I delta L cross r be the r vector by r cube, because unit vector r equal to r vector by magnitude. Follow, putting the value. So this is the vector form of Biot-Savart law. Clear? When in unit of B Tesla, in CGS, now it is expressed in magnetizing force. Follow. Magnetizing force B equal to mu 0 H. B be the magnetic field vector, that is magnetic induction. B আমি বারবার বলছি এটা কি, ম্যাগনেটিক field or magnetic field vector or magnetic induction. But what is H? H is a magnetizing force. Magnetizing force. Follow. H be the, this H will be also discussed in later chapter. Magnetizing force, the unit of magnetizing force equal to ampere meter to the power -1. Follow. The unit of B in SI system, of course both are in SI system. B is Tesla, it is T Tesla, and it is ampere per meter. Magnetizing force, relation between B and H, B equal to mu 0 H. Mu naught is the permeability, magnetic permeability of free space. In electrostatic chapter we have discussed epsilon naught, that is permittivity of the free space, here magnetic permeability of the free space. So H be the magnetizing force বা magnetizing intensity ampere per meter Now H equal to, so putting the value of mu, we get 1 by 4 pi I del L cross R by R cube. Follow. We know I del L sin theta by R square. Value of I ampere, del L meter by meter square, no unit of sin theta, so ampere per meter, unit of ampere per meter, that is meter to the power minus. Clear? This is the expression of magnetizing force, of course, in SI system. Now in CGS system, before discussing in CGS system, at first I shall discuss the how we get the definition of ampere from this law. Clear? Definition of ampere. This is our equation. If dl equal to 1 meter, r equal to 1 meter, theta equal to 90 degree, and we know the value of mu 0, 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla ampere to the power minus 1 meter. This is the Tesla, this is the meter, this is meter square, this ampere. Put the value of Tesla, then you will get the unit of mu naught, and another unit Henry per meter. Putting the value of this, if we put the value here, we get I equal to 1. And value of delta B equal to 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. If we put the value dl equal to 1, theta is equal to 90 degree, r equal to 1, mu 0, dB equal to minus 10, I equal to 1. This is I equal to 1 ampere. So what is the definition of ampere? The current, when a current, constant current flows through a conductor of 1 meter length, bent into a arc of radius 1 meter. Follow? Bent into a arc, এমন ভাবে বাঁকালাম 1 মিটার তারটাকে যেন একটা আর্ক, আর্ক বাংলাতে যাকে বলে আর্কটাকে কি চাপ, যার যে চাপ একটা 1 মিটার তারকে আমি এখানে ছবিতে দেখাচ্ছি, I equal to 1 ampere, এই একটা ওয়্যার, ওয়্যারটা লেন্থ 1 মিটার, 1 meter length. This is the, if you complete the circle, imagine this is the circle, so this is 1 meter. 1 meter, the length 1 meter, and current 1 ampere. The field at the middle 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. So when a constant current flows through a wire of length 1 meter bent into an arc of 1 meter radius, and magnetic field at the center is 10 minus 7 Tesla, then that current which flows through the conductor is called 1 ampere. Clear? যখন 1 ampere, যে কারেন্ট 1 মিটার দৈর্ঘ্যের একটি তারকে 1 মিটার ব্যাসার্ধের বৃত্তচাপের আকারে বাঁকালে তার মধ্যে দিয়ে যে কারেন্ট গেলে কেন্দ্রে 10 to the power minus 7 টেসলা ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড তৈরি হয়, সেই কারেন্টকে বলা হয় 1 অ্যাম্পিয়ার। আমি আবার বলছি ইংরেজিতে, when a current flows through a conductor of 1 meter length bent into in the form of an arc of 1 meter radius, then the current and the due to that current, the magnetic field at the center is 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla, then that current is 1 ampere. Clear? From the Biot-Savart law, give the definition of 1 ampere. Clear? Very important question. 1 ampere. In CGS system, unit of delta B equal to magnetic field is Oersted, that is Gauss, and H unit Oersted. According to follow CGS Gauss, SI Tesla, DH CGS Oersted, SI ampere per meter. So very important, you have to keep it memory. In CGS system, the magnetic field Gauss and SI system Tesla. In CGS system, magnetizing force Oersted, but SI system ampere per meter. In CGS, delta H equal to I delta L sin theta by R square, that is constant K is equal to 1. This is in CGS system. Clear? CGS system. In CGS system, delta B and delta E is equal. Follow. Delta B, that is why in very cases you will notice that the unit of magnetizing force is sometimes mentioned Oersted or Gauss. Clear? Gauss and Oersted, no difference, equal. But very খুব সূক্ষ্মভাবে যদি আমরা দেখি তাহলে গস অ্যান্ড ওরস্টেড আলাদাভাবে আমরা এটাকে উল্লেখ করব। ডেল্টা এইচ বাট ইন CGS system, but in SI system here 1/4 pi, no 1/4 pi. Clear? In CGS system, the unit of current ESU CGS, EMU CGS, there are দুটো CGS unit আছে। Follow. CGS unit of current equal to EMU, electromagnetic unit, and another CGS unit ESU, electrostatic unit. Here magnetizing effect, that is EMU. So from Biot-Savart law, how we can give the definition, we get the definition of EMU. Follow. Delta H equal to 1 Oersted, delta L equal to 1 semi, delta L or DL same, 1 semi, R equal to 1 semi. Follow. Theta equal to 90 degree. So when a current flows through a conductor of 1 semi length bent into the form of an arc of radius 1 semi, and if the magnetic field at the center is 1 Oersted, then that current is called 1 EMU. Then I equal to 1 EMU. Follow. Again and again I mentioned theta is equal to 90 degree, but in figure this is, follow, 1 semi, current I, center, this is 1 semi, this is 1 semi, but this angle 90 degree, that is theta is equal to 90 degree. Follow. This is the small length delta L. So DL, angle between DL and angle between DL and R 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree. So we get the definition of EMU, that is CGS EMU unit, and SI ampere. 1 EMU 1 EMU সমান 10 ampere. The relation between EMU and ampere. 1 EMU equal to 10 ampere. Clear? But 1 ampere equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 ESU current. Follow? So 1 EMU 1 EMU equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 ESU current. So keep it memory in your, that you have to keep it in your memory for relation between EMU and ampere. And ampere, this ESU and EMU both are in CGS unit. দুটোই CGS, electromagnetic electrostatic unit relation. Follow EMU, definition of EMU and definition of ampere. Clear? Now next, one ampere per meter unit of H in SI system equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 3 Oersted. Follow. If we place it ampere 1 I be the ampere. If we convert into EMU, follow, I ampere delta L meter by meter square. Convert into EMU. 1 ampere equal to 1 by 10 EMU. Clear? Into meter equal to meter. 1 meter equal to 100 semi. So 10 to the power minus 3 Oersted. But here 1 by 4 pi. In ampere meter 1 by 4 pi. But in Oersted no 1 by 4 pi. That is relation 1 ampere meter equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 3 Oersted. Important, note it. Clear? So Tesla, ampere meter, Gauss, Oersted. Generally Gauss and Oersted equal. Now, Biot-Savart law in the form of current density. We know current density. In my previous chapter, current electricity, I discussed current density. Current density. What is current density? We know current density is a vector quantity I by A. Current by area. Clear? G equal to I dl by A dl. Suppose wire of cross sectional area A and length dl. So this is I dl by dv. dv is the volume of small current carrying element. So the expression will be mu 0 by 4 pi I dl cross r. This is the form, vector form. Now put the value of ideal. So mu 0 by 4 pi ideal j cross r by r cube. That is of course Tesla. Follow? There is a dv Tesla. This is unit. So in the form of current density. Clear? Now the next item, Biot-Savart law in the form of a moving charge. Follow? Let a charge moving, let current is produced due to the moving charge. Follow? moving charge. In this way, a Q charge is moving with velocity v. The charge Q is moving with velocity v, and this is the small length dl. The time taken by this charge to move from this end to this end equal to dt time. Q is the charge moving with velocity v, and in dt time it traverses a distance dl, that is small current carrying element. So due to the charge, flow of charge, we know the current is nothing but the flow of charge. If the positive charge this is, then the direction of the motion of the positive charge current is same direction. If the charge is negative, so direction of current and the motion of the charge are in opposite direction. Clear? So I equal to Q by dt, but V equal to dl by dt. So I dl equal to Q dl by dt. Putting the value of dl, we get, follow, dl is equal to v dt I dl. So the expression will be mu 0 by 4 pi I dl cross r by r cube Q is a scalar quantity. Of course, this is the form of the moving charge. Clear? Different type of, this is type of question, maybe MCQ, short question. Okay, very important. V cross R, not R cross V. Clear? Follow. Again and again is dl cross R. This is the first figure. This is dl. And this is the direction of current R, this is theta. What will be the direction of field? Downward, in this way. If P point P, observation point, যদি observation point এই দিকে হতো, এইখানে ধরো ফিল্ড কত হবে বার করতে হবে, ডিরেকশন কত হবে, তখন হাতটাকে কিভাবে রাখবো, আমার পাম এবং এই পয়েন্টের মধ্যে যেন তারটা থাকে, হলো, তাহলে এখানে ফিল্ডের ডিরেকশন পারপেন্ডিকুলার টুয়ার্ডস দ্য রিডার। ক্লিয়ার? নাও dl cross r, follow the direction of dl in this way, dl cross r, follow, thumb finger cross product মিলে যাচ্ছে, dl cross r, if we write r cross dl, so the direction opposite, so not r cross dl, dl cross r হবে, r cross dl হলে মিলছে না, dl cross r হবে, follow, dl cross r, not r cross dl. Clear? If the direction of charge in this way, v, positive charge, of course positive charge, the direction of positive charge and current same direction, so q, so positive charge in this way, so current in this way, v cross r. Clear? Downward. If it is negative charge, if the negative charge, then current is in the opposite direction, so v cross r, that direction will be opposite, current, direction of current in this way, dl cross r towards reader, perpendicular, in both cases perpendicular to the plane of the board but towards reader. Follow? So very simple way you can find out the direction of the magnetic field. এইভাবে তোমরা ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডের ডিরেকশনটা বার করবে। বায়ো-স্যাভার্ট ল কতগুলো লিমিটেশন আছে। There are some limitation of বায়ো-স্যাভার্ট law, that is Laplace law. This law is applicable only for small current carrying element. Clear? Number 2, it is applicable due to uniform current distribution. ওয়্যারের মধ্যে একবার বেশি কারেন্ট, নিচের পোর্শনে বেশি কারেন্ট, উপরের পোর্শনে কম কারেন্ট, তাহলে হবে না। ইউনিফর্ম কারেন্টের নাম্বার 1 for very small current carrying element. Number 2, uniform distribution of current. Number 3, when theta equal to 0 degree. 0 degree means on the point of the wire, magnetic field 0. So at any point on the wire field is 0. When theta equal to 90 degree, field will be maximum. When theta 0 degree, so magnetic field at any point on the wire is nil. There is a similarity, some similarity and dissimilarities with the Biot-Savart law and Coulomb's law. In electrostatic chapter, I have discussed Coulomb's law. Follow. Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law and Biot-Savart law, that is Laplace law. This law, Coulomb's law, Q1 Q2 by R square in electrostatics. For air or phase 1 by, sorry, epsilon naught, sorry, 1 by 4 pi epsilon, this will be the constant. And Biot-Savart law, both the laws follow inverse square law. Coulomb's law, R square, R square. So both the law follow inverse square law. Clear? Number 2, superposition principle. Both the law follows superposition principle. Means if there is another charge, the electric field or the force between the two charge is not disturbed. যদি আমরা এখানে কুলম্বস ল এর দুটো চার্জের মধ্যে আকর্ষণ ও বিকর্ষণ হচ্ছে, সেখানে যদি অন্য একটা চার্জ রাখি, তাহলে দুজনের মধ্যে আকর্ষণ বিকর্ষণ বলের মানের তার কোনো এফেক্ট পড়বে না এই চার্জের। এখানেও সুপারপজিশন প্রিন্সিপল। সো বোথ দ্য ল উইল ফলো সুপারপজিশন প্রিন্সিপল। হোয়াট ডু ইউ নো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সুপারপজিশন প্রিন্সিপল? Superposition principle, the current carrying element produces a magnetic field surrounding it. If another current carrying element is placed there, the previous, no change of the magnetic field of the previous due to the previous wire, so the magnetic field of the previous is not affected, is not disturbed by the another current carrying element. So this is the superposition principle. Clear? This is the similarity. Two similarities. Clear? What is the dissimilarities? Follow. Here sin theta but no theta. The magnetic field depends on the angle between the current carrying element and the radius vector, but here no angle between the distance and the charge. This is the one dissimilarity. Number 2, the magnetic electric field E is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This is the force, this is electric field from Coulomb's law, of course. In Coulomb's law, follow Q be the scalar quantity. Q is the scalar quantity. Q টা স্কেলার কোয়ান্টিটি, যার জন্য ফিল্ড তৈরি হয়েছে সেটা হচ্ছে স্কেলার কোয়ান্টিটি। বাট এখানে হোয়াট ইজ দিস? Ideal is a vector quantity. So in Coulomb's law, the electric field is produced due to a scalar quantity, that is charge. But in magnetic field, the magnetic field is produced due to a vector quantity, that is a current carrying element. Ideal is a vector quantity. Clear? This is the another dissimilarity. Another, the magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the paper or board consist ideal and R. যে প্লেনে R এবং DL আছে তার সঙ্গে লম্ব দিকে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড কাজ করে। বাট in electric field, the electric field is acting radial. The electric field is radial. R বরাবর কাজ করবে। ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ডটা কি? R বরাবর কাজ করবে, দূরত্ব বরাবর, হয় বাইরের দিকে নাই ভেতরের দিকে। So it is perpendicular to the plane of the paper consisting ideal and R, but it is radial. The electric field is radial. This is another dissimilarity. very important question, different type of MCQ or short question, this type of question message এটা মনে রাখবে তোমরা কটা ডিসিমিলারিটি এবং কটা সিমিলারিটিজ আমি বললাম। Now application of Biot-Savart law. Application. Application. Long current carrying element. Suppose this is a long current carrying element XY. Now we have to find out the magnetic field at P and the current is flowing in this direction I. Consider a small element, very small element, dl. This is dl and radius vector. Follow? This is O and OP equal to R. Clear? This angle theta, suppose this angle phi. So with the help of Biot-Savart law we have to find out the magnetic field at a point due to a long current carrying conductor. Let XY be the current carrying conductor, the current flows through I and we consider a small element dl and from the current carrying conductor at a distance A at point P we have to find out the magnetic field. Clear? So and suppose this is this length, this is L. Follow? ছবিতে আমি ডিএলটাকে অনেকটা বড় দেখিয়েছি কিন্তু ডিএল খুব স্মল ইন পিকচার দ্য ডিএল ইজ কনসিডার্ড লার্জ বাট অ্যাকচুয়ালি ডিএল ইজ ভেরি স্মল। আমাদের সুবিধার জন্য ডিএলকে আমি বড় দেখিয়েছি। ডিএল ভেরি স্মল কারেন্ট ক্যারিং এলিমেন্ট, ডিএল ভেরি ভেরি স্মল, ভেরি স্মল। So according to Biot-Savart law, dB equal to mu 0 by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. Clear? For small current carrying element, because Biot-Savart law is very difficult to verify experimentally, because a small current carrying element is very difficult to obtain in practically. Biot-Savart law is small current carrying element practically পাওয়া খুব কঠিন, তাই এটাকে এক্সপেরিমেন্টে ভেরিফাই করাও কঠিন। This law is very very difficult to verify experimentally because small current carrying element is very difficult to get, is obtained very difficult, small current carrying element. Clear? Now here follow, this is phi, this is L, so theta plus phi equal to 90 degree. So sin theta equal to sin 90 degree minus phi, that is sin theta equal to cos phi. Clear? Number 1. Number 2, follow, L by A equal to tan phi, L by A equal to tan phi. If we differentiate dl equal to A sec square phi d phi, derivative of tan phi. Clear? And another, follow, from here r by A, this angle r by A equal to sec phi, that is r equal to A of sec phi. Put 3 equation r by a equal to sec phi from this triangle. This knowledge is just 10 standard knowledge. R by a equal to sec phi, r equal to a sec phi, theta plus phi equal to 90, sin theta is equal to cos phi, L by a equal to tan phi, we differentiate dl is equal to a sec square phi by putting the value of this mu 0 by 4 pi I dl equal to a sec square phi d phi sin value of sin theta cos phi value of r a square sec square phi follow 1a, so we get mu 0 by 4 pi I by a cos phi d phi. Clear? I নিচে a sec phi sec square phi কেটে গেল d phi cos phi. So this is the result for small current carrying element. Clear? There is a question, what is the d phi in the figure? Follow. D phi, this angle theta, now I am indicating the angle d phi. Follow. This angle, d phi, if we put a b p, so a p b equal to d phi. Clear? And these three equations we get from the triangle Q P Q O. O be the midpoint of the small current carrying element. Clear? Very important question. Now for long wire, suppose for long wire, XY be a long wire, this is a long wire. If we connect these 2 points, so this is suppose phi 1 and this angle phi 2, this angle phi 1, this is phi 2. So due to long wire b equal to mu 0 by 4 pi I by a integration of cos phi d phi from 0 to phi 1 plus 0 to phi 2 cos phi d phi 0 to phi 2. Follow? So this long wire, total long wire, this angle phi 1 and this angle phi 2. So we get integrate phi 1 and phi 2, 0 to phi 1 and 0 to phi 2. So what will be the result? আমরা যদি এইভাবে করি, the integration of cos phi, that is sin phi. So final result mu 0 by 4 pi I by a sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. Clear? This is the form. Very important equation. Different type of question may set. এই ইকুয়েশনটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। অনেক রকম কোশ্চেন এখান থেকে সেট হতে পারে। ফলে কত রকম কোশ্চেন সেট হবে, কিছু কিছু কোশ্চেন এখানে আলোচনা করব। ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ অফ কোশ্চেন মে সেট, আই শ্যাল ডিসকাস different type of question from this equation. Now maybe in broad question there may be a 3 marks. From Biot-Savart law, find out the magnetic field at a point due to a long current carrying conductor, long phi 1 phi 2. If the wire is infinite long, what will happen? Infinite long, this is side infinite, this side also infinite. Follow. Phi 2 increases, and then when infinite phi 2 or phi 1 both will be for infinite infinite long wire, phi 1 equal to phi 2 equal to 90 degree. follow the figure, ছবিটা ফলো করো, এটাকে বাড়াও, এই অ্যাঙ্গেল আস্তে আস্তে দেখো phi 2 করতে করতে ইনফিনিটি থেকে phi 1 90 ডিগ্রি, phi 2 90 ডিগ্রি. So for b equal to, for long infinite wire, mu 0 by 4 pi, putting the value of 1992 2i by a, of course Tesla. This is one point. For a long conducting wire, infinite long, the magnetic field at a distance a is 2i by a mu 0 by 4. All are in SI system. If the wire is one side infinite and other, the point P is very nearer to the one end. যদি এক সাইড ইনফাইনাইট হয় এবং একটা পয়েন্ট পিটা এই এন্ডের কাছে হয়, নিয়ারার টু দ্য আদার এন্ড. ফলো, আমি এটাকে মুছে দিলাম. নাও I am drawing a new figure. This distance A, this is P. This figure, this is phi 1, this is phi 2. Follow, this side infinite and this point P is at one end. This point is P is here at one end. So figure change. Follow, this is phi 1, this is phi 2. If this side is infinite and if the point P is near one end, this distance A, then follow, phi 1 equal to 0 and phi 2 equal to 90 degree. So B equal to mu 0 by 4 pi into I by A, half. So this is another question. If the wire is infinite but the magnetic field, the point P, the observation point P is at nearer to one end, then the result will be this type. Clear? Two I by A and mu 0 by 4 pi constant I by A. Suppose this is a figure and this is not. This is phi 1 and this angle phi 2. What will be the magnetic field at P? Current I, this distance A. This angle 90 degree minus phi 1 and this angle 90 degree minus phi 2. So result will be mu 0 by 4 pi 2I by A sin 90 degree minus phi 1, that is cos phi 1 plus cos phi 2. Clear? If this angle and this angle, then this angle 90 degree minus, similar way, this is the another result. Clear? Suppose this is a square. This is a square. Okay. This is the two diagonal. The side of the square A. The current is flowing I in this way. So field at O, this distance, what is this distance? Midpoint A by 2. This angle 45 degree, this angle 45 degree. Clear? So this side, this length A by 2, what will be the magnetic field at the center? একটা স্কোয়ার, তার দুটো ডায়াগোনাল, তার সেন্টারে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড কত হবে? কারেন্ট প্রত্যেকটার মধ্যে দিয়ে I কারেন্ট যাচ্ছে। দেখো the field this wire downward, this wire downward, this wire for both of four sides. Due to the four sides, the magnetic field is downward, that is away from the leader. From this portion due for AB, suppose B equal to mu 0 by 4 pi I by A sin 45 degree plus sin 45 degree. Clear? This angle phi 1 and phi 2, mu 0 by 4 I by A sin 45 degree, sin 45 degree. Clear? I be the current, same direction, same direction. So magnetic field in the same direction. For four side, the result will be 4 into. Clear? This is a very important question. Same direction current for one side, mu 0 by 4 pi into I by A into sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2, 45, 45. This is, sorry, this length A by 2, here A by 2. Mu 0 by 4 pi into I by A by 2. Clear? For four side 4, because direction is same direction for four sides. Now another type of problem. Suppose equilateral triangle, সমবাহু ত্রিভুজ. All the sides are same, equilateral triangle AAA. This is the medians, this is another medians, this is another median. This is the midpoint. You have to find out the midpoint magnetic field. This current, in this way current. So field at the center downward, same direction for three side. Equilateral triangle 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So this angle 30. So this angle 60 degree, this angle 60 degree. Follow? Equilateral triangle. This equal, this equal, this equal, and the height. What is the this? The height √3 by 2 into A side. But what is the length of this median? 2:3. So suppose this is P and this is O. So OP equal to 2 by, sorry, 2:1. So 1 by 3 is to √3 by 2A. Follow? 2:1. The ratio 2:1. So this 1 by 3. Total √3 by 2, 1 by 3. This is the OP. So for one side, B equal to mu 0 by 4 pi I by OP, putting the value of OP into sine of 60 degree plus sine of 60 degree, multiply for three sides 3. So another problem, very important, follow it and understand. This type of problem, so very easily you can solve it. Another type of problem, follow. This side infinite and the wire is bent in this way. This side also infinite. This is R. You have to find out the field at a distance R. Okay. This angle 45 degree. This angle also 45 degree. The current, a long infinite wire. The current flowing through it I, and it is bent in this way. Now find out the magnetic field at P. এইভাবে P তে তোমরা magnetic fieldটা বার করো। কি করে বার করতে হবে? Distance. This angle R. Suppose this is O. OP equal to, this is R, so OP equal to R root 2 by 2, this square plus this square is equal to R square, x square plus y x square equal to R square, R by root 2, R by root 2. If this side R, so according to the right angle triangle, this side is square plus this is equal to R square, so 2x square equal to R square by 2 R by root 2. So OP is equal to this distance R by 2, this R by 2. Follow, this is not infinite but it is infinite size. This angle phi 1, this angle phi 2. Phi 2 equal to 90 degree because infinite. But phi 1 equal to, of course, 45. This 45, so this is 45. So for this portion, B equal to mu 0 by 4 pi into I by value of OP into, for this side sin 45 degree, for this side sin 90 degree. And follow, here the direction downward for this wire and this part of course downward, so both the direction same direction, so total field 2. Clear? This is another type of problem. Follow, very important question. Suppose this type of problem, this is wire and here another 2 wire is connected in this way. The current I, this current is divided into 2 equal parts. What will be the magnetic field at P? Follow. The current I is divided into 2 equal parts, I by 2, I by 2. Okay? And you have to find out the field at P. For this wire, this is suppose infinite, maybe infinite or not. For this wire the field here downward, but for this wire the field is upward, so total field at P B equal to 0. No need to calculate here, no need of calculation. এই পোরশনের জন্য ফিল্ডের ডিরেকশন কোন দিকে? ডাউনওয়ার্ড। এই পোরশনের জন্য ফিল্ডের ডিরেকশন কোন দিকে? আপওয়ার্ড। টোটাল ফিল্ড 0। যদি একটা পোরশনের জন্য বলতো ফিল্ড, ইফ you have to find out the field for only one portion, একটা পোরশনের জন্য, same way this side follow phi 1 equal to 0, one end, the observation point is near at the one end, other infinite, so this phi 1 equal to 0 and phi 2 equal to 90 degree. Clear? Another important question. Suppose this is a hexagon. This is a hexagon, একটা ষড়ভুজ, এর center you have to find out the magnetic field at the center of a hexagon, all the side A, the current is flowing in this direction. So field for every part in same direction, total field will be sum of the for every part. Here the hexagon, this angle, every angle is 120 degree. Every angle, internal angle 120 degree, we know. So this angle 60 degree, this angle 60 degree. Here is a midpoint. This is the midpoint. আমি এই পার্ট থেকে করে দেখাচ্ছি। ফর দিস পার্ট, দিস ইজ দ্য মিড পয়েন্ট, দিস অ্যাঙ্গেল 60 ডিগ্রি, দিস অ্যাঙ্গেল 60 ডিগ্রি, দিস 60, so total this angle of course 60, so this is 30 degree and this angle 30 degree. This side A, this side A, so this side A, 60, 60, both three sides A. So this OP equal to root 3 by 2A. Follow? This side 60, this side. So total angle 60, equilateral angle. So the height root 3 by 2A. Follow here. For this portion, the field B equal to mu 0 by 4 pi I by OP into sine 30 degree plus sine 30 degree. For 6 part, multiply by 6, and direction of the field downward from the perpendicular to the plane of the paper and downward, that is away from the reader. Clear? So there are various type of application of Biot-Savart law and different type of problem. এই প্রবলেমগুলোর আমি কিভাবে সলভ করলাম তোমরা যদি মাথায় রাখো তাহলে তোমরা নিজেরা সব ধরনের প্রবলেম সলভ করতে পারবে। ইউ ক্যান ইজিলি সলভ দ্য ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ অফ প্রবলেম, এনি টাইপ অফ প্রবলেম you may face if you keep it the theory, keep it your memory, this type of theory. Clear? So today this is the end. Next time in my next class meet you again. Okay.